Namaste. Today we will look at the 10th sloka in chapter 2. Tam uvāca hṛṣīkeśaḥ prahasanniva bhārata senayor ubhayor madhye viṣīdantam idaṁ vacaḥ. Tam uvāca hṛṣīkeśaḥ prahasann iva bhārata senayor ubhayor madhye viṣīdantam idaṁ vacaḥ. hṛṣīkeśaḥ is a name for Lord Krishna, and we saw in the previous sloka that it means who is the Lord of the senses. So Krishna uvāca, he said, how did he say? Prahasann iva, prahasann meaning as if smiling. So Lord Krishna was smiling and he told these following words to Arjuna. Why was Krishna smiling? Because Arjuna was not aware of the full truth. Imagine a child and a mother watching a movie and the child crying for a tragedy happening on the screen. What will the mother say? The mother will smile and say, "Oh no, it's not real." Krishna was smiling because Arjuna was not aware of the atmajnanam. Okay, where were they standing? Senayor ubhayor madhye viṣīdantam. So Arjuna was in between the two armies. Sena near means army. Ubhayor madhye, in between the two armies. Viṣīdantam, who was filled with grief. And Krishna says these following vacaḥ, meaning words or sentences. So Krishna talks these following words to Arjuna is what is the meaning of this sloka. The next sloka is sloka number 11. Shri Bhagavān uvāca aśocyān anvaśocas tvaṁ prajñāvādāṁś bhāṣate gatāsūn agatāsūṁś nānuśocanti paṇḍitāḥ. Aśocyān anvaśocas tvaṁ prajñāvādāṁś bhāṣate gatāsūn agatāsūṁś nānuśocanti paṇḍitāḥ. The first line, Krishna scolds Arjuna saying that he is grieving for something which need not be grieved. Aśocyān means something which is not worthy of grief. Anvaśocas, you're grieving about it. What is not worthy of grieving, you're grieving about it. Tvaṁ anvaśocas, meaning you're grieving about it. Prajñāvādāṁś bhāṣate. Not only that, before we saw that he was telling lot of arguments and reasons both in chapter 1 and in chapter 2. Katham bhishma maham sankye, how will I throw arrows at Bhishma and Drona. So prajñāvādāṁś bhāṣate, you're talking as if you're like a real wise person. Gatāsūn agatāsūṁś nānuśocanti paṇḍitāḥ. Next, Bhagavān talks about paṇḍitāḥ. Who is paṇḍitāḥ? Panda asya asti iti paṇḍitāḥ, one who has atmajnanam, the knowledge of the self. Our Shastras say that we are ignorant of our real true nature. So someone who is aware of his true nature is a paṇḍitāḥ, and he does not grieve. Grieve about what? Gatāsūn. Gatāsūn meaning people who are dead. Agatāsūn meaning people who are alive or living. So a paṇḍitāḥ does not grieve about people who are dead or people who are living. To summarize, Krishna says that Arjuna, you're grieving about something which is not worthy of grieving. You're talking like a wise person. A real wise person does not grieve about people who are dead or people who are living. Saying so, Bhagavan is actually going to start his teaching on Atmajnanam from sloka number 12, which is the crux of Bhagavad Gita. We'll see sloka by sloka from tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.